Hello, and welcome to day 9 of your daily English speaking practice. Today, we will focus on talking about the weather and seasons in English. The weather is one of the most common small talk topics, and it's very useful for daily conversations. You will listen to me and repeat each sentence. Speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Imagine you are really talking to a friend about the weather. Let's get started. Basic weather sentences. Repeat after me. It's sunny today. It's raining. It's very hot outside. It's cold today. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's snowing. The sky is clear. The sky is gray. The sun is shining. There are many clouds in the sky. Longer weather sentences. It's a beautiful sunny day. The weather is very nice today. It's a perfect day for a walk. It's raining very hard outside. The wind is very strong. It's snowing heavily. The temperature is very high. The temperature is very low. It's too hot to go outside. It's too cold to play outside. Asking about the weather. How's the weather today? What's the weather like? Is it raining? Is it snowing? Is it sunny today? Is it cold outside? What's the temperature? Is it hot in the afternoon? Does it rain a lot here? Is it usually windy in the morning? Answering weather questions. It's warm and sunny. It's cool and cloudy. It's raining right now. It's very hot this afternoon. It's freezing today. It's a little windy. It's snowing a lot this winter. It's very dry in the summer. It's very wet in the spring. The weather is nice today. Talking about seasons. Spring is my favorite season. I like summer because it's warm. I don't like winter because it's too cold. I love autumn because the leaves change color. In spring, the flowers bloom. In summer, the days are long and hot. In autumn, the weather is cool and windy. In winter, it snows a lot. I wear light clothes in summer. I wear warm clothes in winter. Longer season sentences. I like spring because everything looks fresh and green. Summer is fun because I can go swimming. Autumn is beautiful because the trees are red and yellow. Winter is cold, but I enjoy drinking hot chocolate. In my country, it rains a lot in the spring. In my city, summers are very hot and dry. In the mountains, winters are snowy and cold. In the south, autumn is warm and sunny. Short dialogue 1. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. That's great. Let's go for a walk. Good idea. Short dialogue 2. Do you like winter? No, I don't. It's too cold. I like winter because I can ski. That's true. Skiing is fun. Short dialogue 3. What's your favorite season? I like summer. How about you? I like autumn because it's cool. Autumn is very nice too. Extended role play. Talking about weather and seasons. Hi, how are you today? I'm good. The weather is nice today. Yes, it's sunny and warm. Do you like this kind of weather? Yes, I love sunny days. How about you? I like them too, but sometimes it's too hot. That's true. What season do you like best? I like spring because the flowers bloom. That's beautiful. I like summer because I can go to the beach. Nice. Do you like winter? Not really. It's too cold for me. Same here. I don't like freezing weather. Weather expressions. It looks like it's going to rain. I think it will be sunny tomorrow. The weather changes quickly here. It's hot during the day, but cold at night. It might snow tomorrow. The forecast says it will rain. The sky is getting dark. I forgot my umbrella. I need my sunglasses today. I have to wear a jacket. Practice talking about activities. It's sunny. I want to go to the park. It's raining. I will stay inside. It's snowing. I want to build a snowman. It's windy. I can fly a kite. It's hot. I want to go swimming. It's cold. I will drink hot tea. It's a nice day. Let's have a picnic. It's cloudy. I will read a book indoors. Extended role play. Planning activities. A. Hi, what's the weather like today? B. It's sunny and warm. A. Great. Let's go to the park. B. Good idea. We can play soccer. A. Perfect. What about tomorrow? B. The forecast says it will rain. A. Oh no. Then we can stay inside and watch a movie. B. That sounds fun too. Motivational sentences. I can talk about the weather in English. I can ask and answer questions about the weather. I can describe different seasons in English. I can make small talk about the weather. I can plan activities depending on the weather. I feel confident speaking about daily topics. I am improving every day. I enjoy learning English step by step. I believe in myself. I am proud of my progress. Great job today. You practiced talking about the weather and seasons in English. These are useful topics for small talk and daily life. Come back tomorrow for day 10 of your speaking challenge. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. See you next time.